Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, $700. Why $700? I'm glad you asked, Mark. I'm going to share with you exactly what this $700 has to do with this today. Folks, my name's Mark Evans, DM, and it's real. This is happening. Drea, Dina, and Mark. Thank you for being here, and you as well. So today, I'm going to talk to you about a stock we bought today, Mark. Look, CCL. Do you know what that means?
No.
Carnival Cruise Lines. You know those big ships out in the ocean?
Yeah.
Those are cool, right? In St. Thomas, we would see them.
Yeah.
I bought it today for $12.33 a share, right? And Daddy, since November to February, it's been trading between $40 and $50 in that range. It's like this. This is what the stock looked like. And then boom, pop. Why? Because this is when the coronavirus news came out.
Coronavirus!
Cruise ships shut down. $12.33, Drea. About 1,000 shares at $12.33 equals, Mark, can you use the calculator? Give it to mommy. You want to type in 1233?
Type in 2.
Yep.
2.
That's 12,000. Thank you for your help.
$330.
$330. Dina, I need you to use the calculator for real.
Okay.
2. And what else?
Give it to mommy. She'll help you. Here, Dina. Actually, no, you can keep that.
1.
Here you go. It's always great to have the crowd. Thank you guys for your help here. Thank you, Mark.
Phones.
12.33 times 1,000. What's it come out to?
3.
Drea, 12,333. 330. Yep, right there. It's right there, Mark. You helped me. Thank you. So I'm looking at this stock, and there's only 4 days left in the thing called options. It's called covered calls. $15 covered calls, Drea. That smile, I love that smile. It's $1 billion smile right there. $15 covered calls. That means I'm willing to sell the stock. I'm renting the stock. Okay. Oh, thank you, Mark. I'm renting the stock, saying I'm willing to sell my share interest. I bought it. Remember, I bought it for $12.33. I'm willing to rent my interest. I'm willing. Drea, you need another drink? There we go. Keep it on. $15. I'm willing to rent my interest out, and I got paid 70 cents to do that. 70 cents, Mark. 0.70 times 10 contracts. 10 contracts, the way stock options work, that means 100 shares equals 1 contract. Yep. Thank you, Mark. That's 1,000 shares. I sold 10 contracts at 70 cents, which equals $700. That's what the $700 is. I made $700 renting out my option to buy this stock. I already own it. That's why it's called a covered call. I'm already covered because I own. Not only that, this gets even better, Mark. Dina, can you calculate this for me?
Yeah.
$700 divide by $12,330 equals what? 0.5.
0.5675.
So today I locked in a 5.67% interest. Today. So I made almost 6% in 4 days, Mark. Is that amazing or amazing?
4 days.
Yep, amazing or amazing? Absolutely amazing. But it gets even better. If I get called out of my position, I need you to calculate $15 minus 233, D.
3. Okay. 3. How many?
1267.
How many trees?
By 1233. $15 minus $12.33.
1267.
No, it's impossible. Folks, you can't even use a calculator. $15 minus $12.33.
267.
$2.67. That's if I get called out of my position. Let's say if the stock goes to $17. I'm going to get my position taken. Someone just got lucky and bought my stock. I made $2.67 plus I made 70 cents. Remember, I made 70 cents as well. Dina, $2.67 plus 70 cents. Drea, I need you to calm down over there.
$337.
$3
Mm-hmm.
$3.30.
times 1,000.
1,000. Can I do it? Huh? I do that.
337 times 1,000.
$3,370, right?
Yeah. 300.
Is this correct?
0. Yeah. 337.
I need you to take the calculator. Mark, give that to mommy, please.
I do.
We need some participation, Mark, please. Please.
What else?
I need you to do $3,370 divide by $12,330.
12,000.
330.
0.2733.
That's right. 27.3% interest rate in 4 days. Mark, is this amazing if you can make 27% in 4 days? Would you be happy with that?
Yes.
In 20 days.
In 20 days?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're going to do it even better. We're going to do it in 4 days or less. So today I collected $700. The stock, there's a couple things. One, the stock could go down, which is fine. I won't get called out of my position, but I keep the $700. I resell another call position. Julia Bear? I sell another call position next week, make more money. Week after, make more money. If the stock's going up or down, I can sell different positions. Keep my cost basis going down right now because I bought it for $12.33. Dina, can you calculate $12.33 minus 70 cents? $12.33 minus 70 cents.
Three like this.
Julia, I need some cooperation.
1163.
So my cost basis right now to own the stock is $11.63, and today it closed out at $12.90. So I'm up 60-something cents as well. Anyways, I just rented the stock out for a week. I got paid $700, Mark. I still own 1,000 shares. If this thing goes all the way up, now a lot of people are thinking, if this thing goes up to $20, which it could, Mark, but you got called out of the stock, you just lost upside profits. Listen, folks, you can't be mad if you make 27.3% on your money. Today, this week, it's amazing. People would cut off their left arm for these kind of returns. Educate, knowledge up. Mark, any questions?
Knock it out.
Excuse me?
Knock it out.
Knock it out.
Knock it out? What are we knocking out? We buying
Knock
more?
it out of the park.
Yeah.
Did I knock it out of the park? Do you understand all this?
Yeah.
You still learning it?
Yeah.
All right, what about you, babe?
Wow, he's got 3.5 million.
3.5 million in cash ready to roll?
On his
All
calculator.
right, that's good. All right, let's hit that at 7. What questions you got, Dina? Does it make sense?
Yeah. What other stocks?
This is CCL. This is what I'm investing in. You don't need a bunch of stocks. You need to pick a couple handful, learn them, understand them, and grow with them. Drea, do you have any questions, honey? Ooh, ah, goo, gaga.
What goes
That's my kind of
good
investor right
with
there.
my puffs?
Mark, okay, what are you asking about?
3 C's or 1 C?
Two
There's
Cs.
2 C's. CCL. Excellent.
And $700.
Mark, you like the $700? What should we do with the $700?
Pay to the yacht.
Pay for a yacht? I like that. We better get a bunch more zeros on that. But we reinvest so we can actually pay for the yacht, right?
Yeah.
All right, Mark. Anything else, buddy?
No.
Can you help Daddy erase this real quick now?
I don't have to erase it.
All right, let me see it.
Erase it.
Keep going. There. Oh, you're getting tall, man. How'd you get so tall, dude?
So this was all in a day
This is today.
today.
Now keep in mind, this is a stock I don't mind owning. I think Carnival will go back up when everything gets okay, right, Mark? Don't you think it'll go back up? People start doing the cruises.
Yeah.
They're getting excited. They're in their house. Their money's going to start flowing back in. Stock prices will go up. That's the goal. That's the plan. Awesome. Thank you, Mark. Have a great day, sir. Thank you for coming out.
I'm more Kevin's deal. I'm more Kevin's deal. I'm more Kevin's deal. I'm her question Mark Evans when he step in the door. He's closing deals. It's time to tell him what the DM stand for.